Oh, come on, ref.
Goodness, because you, I mean, I don't know, maybe your head would have popped off or mine would have, but left tackle's holding on this play as well. So that's the one. He's called the wrong number. That should have been.
Fucking losers. I need another beer. What the? I don't understand. Okay, I got my phone. Mom! Oh, wait, I don't live with my mom. What am I supposed to do here? Who do I call? Okay, I guess. Okay.
Hello?
Rebecca, what are you doing? I need help. I'm stuck in the refrigerator.
Oh my god, again?
I know. I don't know why this keeps on happening. Oh, where are you? Can you come help me?
Yeah, hang on, bye.
Oh my gosh, how long has this been in there? It's still fine.
I'm
It
here!
works. Finally, my God.
What?
Wasting
Oh my
energy
God.
with the fridge open
Again!
like this. I don't know what's happening. Yes, use the squidgy thing because. Oh, watch it. Oh, thank you. Ah, God, my leg. It was practically dead.
How does this keep happening to you?
I don't know. I am a magnet for the refrigerator. You know.
Must be that ass.
Yeah, it must be that ass.